Hey, I have some Abloy padlocks here. Thought I'd make a video because there seems to be so few things on YouTube about it. Abloy, this Protect 2 key. This is the Abloy PL330, like so. It's the key, of course. And then I've got the Abloy PL340. This big lock. Things are solid, I tell you. Wow. I had to special order these. My local guy, no one in town seems to stock it. Then I've also got the PL350. This thing is huge. Okay, just to kind of give you a rundown here. 1, 2, 3. This is more like your average size padlock, maybe like a master lock, maybe a touch bigger, so you can see. I mean, there's quite a difference there. It doesn't show in the video well, but when I unpackaged this one, it was like, wow, this thing's huge. And the shackle too is just massive on that 350. Also, I have, which nowhere on YouTube seems to have, I also have the Abloy hasp, the 204. That's part 1, part 2. You can see this one's cupped. So I guess when they're together, you can't get in there and jimmy things with a 10-foot crowbar. That's a nice piece. And I've also got the big hasp here I ordered in, the Abloy 203. It's huge, 6 millimeters. Okay, there's also an in-between model here that looks like this one, but it's not quite as heavy gauge. This is, boy, I think it's 6 mil, don't quote me, but I think the other one's 4 mil. But this is their big boy, which I'm gonna use on this big monster here, okay? And on the other one, I'm going to use on the, what is it, the 204? This one here. Now, if you are ordering this one online or from wherever, there are 2 versions to it, a left hand and a right hand. I totally forget what this one is, but the door will open this way. And this will stay, that part will stay on your frame and the door will snap. This one doesn't really matter. You can just flip it around, it's all the same. But if you order the wrong one and the door opens the other way, well, it's not going to work. The key, I mean, we know how it works. I've only got one hand to do this, but it just goes in there. There you go. Hope you enjoy. I'll just show a few more shots here. You can shut this off whenever you're ready. Thanks. Well, I should say these hasps came with the hardware to mount them. I'll be welding this one on just because of the application. I can't bolt it on, but this is what they did send in for each one. So 4 and 4 of each, so 8 in total because they're separate. And the little guy here. That's how that works. That's a big lock, I gotta say, man. That thing is huge. I don't know what it weighs. My scale only goes 800 grams, but I tell you, it's way over 800 grams. Okay, here's everything. Abloy, really nice stuff, insanely expensive, depending where you live. I'm in Canada, so I paid, this I'm looking at about $800 my cost. I know if you're in the States, it's a lot cheaper, but I don't know, Abloy seems to be the #1. I actually had my front door of my house keyed with an Abloy, so I'm rock and rolling here. Thank you. See you guys later. Bye.